Hello friends, my name is Mahmoodur Rahman Durani. Today is lecture number 8. This is my channel Accounting. Lecture number 8 is about trial balance from ledger. How we make trial balance from ledger. What is journal entries, what is ledger, and what is trial balance. How we make ledger and how we make journal entries. So again I'm revising. Today our topic is how we make trial balance from ledger. To make the trial balance we will do journal entries, ledger entries, and then we will make trial balance. I introduce myself. I have accounting good background. I have done CPA, Certified Public Accountant, CA Articles 4 year in Chartered Accountant firm, and I have done BBS, Bachelor of Business Studies, and BCom, Bachelor of Commerce. I have 6 year experience in accounting of jobs as an accountant, chief accountant, and also I have teaching experience in different countries in United Arab Emirates and also in multinational companies. Friends, kindly subscribe my channel to get all my lectures and press the bell icon. Let's come to our topic, how we make trial balance. So how we make trial balance from ledger. To make trial balance we will do journal entries, ledger entries, and from these ledger entries we will make trial balance. Friends, journal is the act of recording. Ledger and journal we make in journal entries we do in journal book. Ledger entries are the act of recording which we do in the ledger accounts. Trial balance is the summary of accounts. We are again and again repeating word accounts. Accounts include asset account, liability account, capital account, income account, expense account, similarly sub account, purchase account, sale account. For all accounts For all accounts, we make separate ledgers. Now I do some journal entries, journal transactions, and then we will go to make the ledgers and trial balance. Okay, first I will do journal entries, then ledger, accounts, then trial balance. First I will do journal entries, then ledgers, then I will make trial balance. Here I do some journal entries. Journal entries, this is first one. Okay, come. Capital, first transaction, owner bring capital $50,000. Second transaction is about our sale of inventory, $10,000. Third, sale inventory $5,000. Fourth transaction, purchase inventory $10,000. Fifth number transaction, in business, again purchase inventory. I'm doing this transaction, then I will make ledgers, then I will make trial balance. Purchase inventory $5,000. Six, business did expense by name of rent. Business paid rent $10,000. Friend, to make easy, business did all these transactions in cash. To make easy ledger and easy trial balance, to make the basic concept. So all this transaction is done in cash. Okay, now we will make the ledger. Now we will make the ledgers. First we will make the capital ledger. Here this is capital ledger. Every ledger have some basic columns. First column is of date, second column for particulars, third basic column for folio. Folio mean this transaction reference in trial balance. Fourth number column is of debit, fifth number column credit. So this is capital ledger. Fifth number column balance. In accounting, you must know about the nature of account. Capital have credit nature. Right? Owner bring capital. First I do I make all the ledgers, then I will do entries of these entries. First I make the ledgers, then I will do one by one entry. Okay, this is our capital ledger. Here total. Here I make cash ledger. Friends, if you not subscribe my channel still, kindly subscribe my channel to get all these lectures. This is cash ledger. Date, particulars, folio, debit, credit. My lecture number 4 is about debit credit rules. There I showed all the debit credit rules. Today I will again show the debit credit rules. We are making our third ledger, and third ledger is sale ledger for sale account. Third ledger for sale account. Debit credit, and here one column I forgot, balance, most important column. Friends, this is most important topic. Anyone can do easily accounting in his job, and if someone is student, he can do easily ledgers, trial balance, make trial balance also easily. In next for upcoming lectures, I will show how we make the financial statements from the trial balance. Okay, this is our sale account. Date, particulars, debit, credit, and here balance. Total. Now I make the purchase ledger. Purchase ledger. Sale ledger. These all are ledgers. Cash ledger. Capital ledger. Okay, this is balance column. This is credit column. This is debit column. This is folio column. This is particulars. This is date. Now here I make expense ledger. Expense ledger. Expense name is rent. So for every expense we will make separate ledger. Here I am making rent ledger. Rent is account. Every basic terms I am repeating again and again. This is balance column. Credit column, debit column, folio column, particulars, and date column. And here we will write total. Okay friends, let's come to our entries. First entry, owner bring capital 50,000. Owner bring capital 50,000 mean owner bring cash. Cash come to, this will go to cash ledger. So cash is asset. Cash come to our business, asset increase, cash will be debit 50,000 and balance will be here 50,000. Cash debit, capital will credit. So capital account always have credit nature. This is debit, this is credit. Capital will credit $50,000 and here there is a balance 50,000. One entry completed. I again revise. Owner bring capital 50,000. Okay, owner bring capital 50,000. So cash debit and capital credit. Why cash debit? Because asset, cash come to business, asset increase, cash debit. When asset increase we make debit. This is debit credit rule. Cash come to business, asset increase. When asset increase, cash will debit. Why capital credit? Capital is credit nature. So capital is credit. Let's come to transaction number 2. Our transaction number 1 has been done. Sale inventory 10,000. What did business? Business, our company, the company name is ABC and Co. So ABC and Co. What did ABC and Co? ABC and Co sell 5,000. So when the company do sale, so against sale cash will come. So cash will increase, asset will increase. When asset increase, so then it will debit. How much dollars? $5,000. $5,000. So 50,000 is cash balance. 5,000 more come, so cash balance is now $55,000. And business did sale this sale is 10,000. So we will write here $10,000 and here will be 60,000 balance. Okay, this is 10,000, 60,000. Cash debit and sale will credit. Sale always have credit nature, so sale will credit 10,000 and here balance of sale account will be $10,000. Sale is credit nature, this is credit balance. Cash is debit nature, this is debit balance. Let's come to third number entry, sale inventory 5,000. Sale inventory 5,000. Again, when we do sale, so our cash come to business, asset increase $5,000 and now this is $65,000 and sale is credit nature. We did 5,000 sale, so 5,000 is credit. So now total sale is come to business 15,000. 10,000 this, 5,000 this, balance is 15,000. Third number entry I am showing again, sale inventory 5,000. Cash debit 5,000, sale credit 5,000. Total balance here before 50,000 plus 10,000 60,000 plus 5,000 65,000 total balance. Entry number 4, purchase inventory 10,000. ABC and Co purchase. So inventory is our current asset. Purchase inventory. Inventory is our current asset, so asset is increasing, so it will be debit by the amount of 10,000. $10,000. Purchase debit but business did purchase. Against purchase, our cash is going from business, mean asset is decreasing. So asset is decreasing by $10,000. So now we will not write debit side. Sorry, this will credit $10,000. Cash is going from business, asset is decreasing. We purchase debit, cash. Why purchase debit? Because inventory is coming, asset is coming, asset increases, debit. Why cash credit? Because cash is going against purchase, asset is decreasing. So here cash is credit 10,000, 65,000 is balance. Here 65,000 is balance, this one. Now 10,000 we purchase, so now balance will be 65,000 minus 10,000, 55,000. Debit balance. Again we do purchase, so purchase, inventory is our asset, inventory is coming, inventory increasing. When asset increase, when inventory increase, it will debit $5,000. Before it was 10,000, now 5,000 more, so balance increase, total balance is 15,000. 10,000 this plus 5,000, 15,000. Our last entry is expense. Here we purchase 5,000, so second entry will go to cash. Asset is decreasing because we purchase. When asset decrease, it will credit side, it will go to credit side, $5,000. Balance was 55,000. Now we will minus 5,000, total balance is $50,000. This purchase entry I am showing again. Purchase inventory 5,000, purchase debit because asset increase, balance 10,000 plus 5,000, 15,000. Cash against purchase is going from business, cash decreasing, asset decreasing, and our cash will be credit 5,000. Balance was 55,000, so 55,000 minus 5,000, balance is 50,000, and this balance is debit balance because this balance is in positive and cash is a debit balance. Our loss entry expense rent 10,000. Business paid rent. Rent is our expense. Rent always have a debit nature. So rent is $5,000. Balance $5,000. Against rent, our cash is going from business because we will pay the cash. So asset again decreasing. We paid the rent, we paid the rent debit, and cash is going from business, asset is going from business. When asset is decreasing, then it will credit. So we paid 5,000. Our balance is here 45,000. Our balance is here 45,000. 50,000 before balance. Now we minus 5,000, 45,000. Let's check the cash balance. 50,000 first entry, then debit 10,000, 60,000, then 5,000 debit 65,000, then 10,000 credit 55,000, then 5,000 credit 50,000, then 5,000 credit 45,000. Capital balance is credit balance 50,000. Now sale ledger 10,000 before sale, then 5,000 sale, total 15,000. So 50,000 credit balance of capital, 45,000 credit balance of cash, sale 10,000 plus 5,000, total sale 15,000 balance of sale, purchase 10,000 plus 5,000, 15,000, debit balance of purchase, rent 5,000, debit balance of rent. Why debit balance? Because rent is expense, it have debit nature, and here the value is positive, right? Why purchase is debit balance? Because purchase is inventory, our asset is increasing and our value is coming in positive, so purchase and our asset is increasing, asset is coming, so it is debit balance. Why sale credit balance? Because why sale credit balance? Because sale have always credit nature and our sale here increasing, so sale is credit balance. Sale in accounting always have credit balance. In accounting, sale always have credit nature, so it will show credit balance. Cash ledger, cash is debit balance. Why debit balance? I am again revising these balances. Why? Because these balances will go to trial balance. The ledger balances will go to trial balance and we will make the trial balance from these balances. Therefore, I am understanding you balances. Okay, capital. Why capital is a credit balance? Because the capital is a credit nature. Cash is here in positive with us because we have more cash and we spend. This is our spend, these credit is our payments, we payment less and our receiving is more, so cash is positive balance. Friends, now we will make trial balance. Trial balance is a summary of our accounts. Very important point, we make trial balance from ledger balances if ledger balance of account is debit, we will debit this account in trial balance if ledger balance of account is credit, then we will credit this account in trial balance. We make trial balance from ledger balances. If ledger balance of account is debit, we will debit this account in trial balance. If ledger balance of account is credit, then we will credit this account in trial balance. Okay, now this you will understand now when we will make the trial balance. Trial balance have basic columns, serial number. Here we will make 1 2 3 account number. Particulars, debit, credit. This is our trial balance of A, B, C and Co. Friends, let's start. We make trial balance. I told you again and again, we make trial balance from ledgers. How we will make trial balance from ledger? This is a capital ledger. So simply one serial number 1. This is account number 1, capital. In capital ledger, capital have 50,000 credit balance. So credit here 50,000 capital. Account number 2, this is account number 1, account number 2, cash. We are making trial balance from ledgers. I am again and again saying we are making trial balance from ledger. And how we will make the trial balance from ledger? We will take the balances of ledger. If ledger balance is debit, we will make debit. We will make debit this in trial balance. If ledger balance is credit, we will make credit this in trial balance. Cash balance is 45,000 debit. This is debit. So 45,000 debit. Third number account is sale. Sale balance is credit, 15,000. Sale $15,000 credit. Fourth number account, purchase. Fourth number account, purchase. So purchase 15,000. This is debit balance. Five number account is expense. Expense is debit balance. Expense is rent, 45,000. Okay friends, 45,000 capital, 50,000 I am showing again, capital 50,000, credit balance, cash 45,000, debit balance 45,000, debit balance, sale 15,000, credit balance, purchase 15,000, debit balance, expense 5,000, debit balance. Now we will add all our debit and credit side. Debit side 45,000 plus 15,000 plus 5,000, $65,000. Credit balance 50,000 plus 15,000, $65,000. 50,000 plus 15,000, $65,000. So our trial balance, both sides are equal. When the trial balance both sides are equal, so mean your accounts are tally and your account is free from error. Trial balance both sides are equal. 65,000, 65,000. 65,000 equal 65,000. Zero difference mean our account is tally and no error. Friends, this is our trial balance. We make trial balance from ledger. Kindly subscribe my channel. This is capital, credit balance, cash, debit balance from ledger, sale, credit balance from ledger, purchase, debit balance from ledger, expense, debit balance from ledger. Friends, kindly subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel to get all the lectures and also press the bell button. So I am giving a small review of my lecture. That how to make trial balance from ledger. First we make journal entries, then we make ledger, then we make trial balance. These are journal entries, then we make ledgers, then we make trial balance. Thank you so much. Here our lecture is ending. Thank you. Kindly subscribe my channel.